Hi dear audience, today I am going to talk about the use of nitrogen in tires, why it is useful, and the advantages and disadvantages, and the advantages of air over nitrogen and the reverse. Nitrogen is useful because it contains no water vapor moisture at all like air. This moisture makes the steel drum rust when their paint full. Nitrogen contains a negligible trace of moisture. As regards density, specific heat and compressibility, it is almost the same as air and as oxygen. They say it gives stability to the tires due to being more elastic. No. As regards elasticity, the modulus of elasticity of any gas is a diatomic gas is equal to the existing pressure. That's the numerically the existing pressure is equal to the bulk modulus of elasticity. So the only advantage, but the advantage of air over nitrogen is the moisture, because if the hot tire is heated due to ambient temperature, atmospheric, or due to the friction of the tire with the pavement, the temperature rises. The moisture evaporates, and on evaporation it absorbs the excess heat from the air. And the reverse, if the temperature goes down, the moisture condenses and hence gives back its heat, the heat of liquefaction, to the air. So it is the presence of water vapor in air is a stabilizing factor or a moderating factor. But also nitrogen, I forgot. Nitrogen has an advantage over air. They say this is because the nitrogen molecule is slightly larger than the air molecule, but it's larger by 2.6%, because the oxygen atom is size is 0.299 nanometers, while the nitrogen molecule is 0.305 nanometers. That's not a difference that makes this difference in leakage, because the leakage in case of air is 4 times that the leakage of nitrogen between the tire and the wheel drum. The real reason is the nitrogen is non-adhesive to the rubber and steel. This is an advantage. You fill it with the nitrogen, doesn't leak. But as regards elasticity of the gas itself, no. There is no whatever difference in elasticity of. I don't want to get into physics sophistication, because E is the modulus of elasticity. E of a gas is equal, which is equal to delta P over delta V over V, is numerically equal to pressure. So as regards elasticity, both nitrogen and air are the same. Both contain diatomic gases, and nitrogen diatomic, oxygen diatomic. So the air itself contains 2 diatomic gases. No different. The elasticity is the same. Being better is said to be nitrogen better for suspension. And in addition, I want to mention that air is better for high-speed cars, being temperature stabilized due to the presence of moisture. That's it. Goodbye, dear audience.